You can work full-time, earn a decent income, and still feel broke every month. Not because you're careless, not because you're bad with money, but because your financial system was never designed to give you breathing room. Today, we're not talking about quick hacks or unrealistic advice. We're talking about how people actually escape the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle step by step. Living paycheck to paycheck doesn't mean you have no money. It means you have no margin. Margin is the space between when you get paid and when money leaves your account. If every dollar already has a job before it arrives, you're stuck reacting instead of choosing. That's the cycle most people are trapped in. Here's what usually happens each month. The paycheck comes in. Bills leave automatically.
Spending fills the gaps.
And savings get whatever is left, if anything. The problem is not spending alone. The problem is order. When saving and protection come last, they stay weak. The first shift isn't restriction, it's awareness. Most people underestimate how many small expenses quietly drain their income. Subscriptions they rarely use. Convenience spending. Small, frequent purchases that feel harmless. Individually, they don't seem dangerous. Together, they keep you stuck. Tracking your spending, even briefly, changes behavior naturally. Not with guilt, with clarity. Not all expenses are equal. Some expenses keep your life running. Housing, utilities, food, transportation. Others support comfort and enjoyment. The goal is not to eliminate enjoyment. The goal is to protect survival first. When essentials are stable, stress drops, and better decisions follow. Step 3. Build a small safety buffer. This is where real change begins.
A safety buffer is not a huge emergency fund.
It's simply money set aside so one surprise doesn't break everything. Start small. 1 week of expenses. Then 2 weeks. Then 1 full month. This buffer changes how money feels. Instead of panic, you gain pause. Instead of reacting, you can think. Step 4. Deal with high-pressure debt carefully. Some debts are especially dangerous because they grow quickly. High-interest debt doesn't just cost money, it steals future options. The goal isn't perfection, it's progress. Reducing these balances creates momentum, and momentum creates confidence. Step 5. Improve cash flow without burnout. Many people believe the only solution is earning much more. But more income without structure often disappears just as fast. Better cash flow can also come from reducing unnecessary expenses, negotiating bills, selling unused items, using skills you already have. The goal isn't hustling forever. It's creating flexibility. Step 6. Review and adjust, not restart. Most people fail financially because they keep restarting. They abandon plans after 1 bad month. Real progress comes from small adjustments, regular check-ins, patience. Money systems improve gradually, not overnight. Escaping paycheck to paycheck isn't about discipline alone. It's about changing the order. Instead of income, bills, spending, savings, shift to income, protection, bills, spending. When protection comes first, everything else stabilizes. If one unexpected expense can collapse your entire month, your system needs support, not shame. Financial stability isn't about never making mistakes. It's about building a system that survives them. If this video helped you see the paycheck to paycheck cycle more clearly, you're already moving forward. In the next video, we'll explore why traditional budgeting often fails and what actually works instead. Subscribe for calm, ethical, and realistic money education. Because financial peace starts with clarity, not pressure.